welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia Luthra, as you already know me. So आज की जो वीडियो है वो किसी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड नहीं है, बल्कि I would like to share this Teachers Day gift hamper which I got from Unacademy. I received it a little late, like I received it today, so that is why I'm sharing it today. So this is what the gift package look like. So let's open it in front of you and see what is all inside this gift. So let's start the unboxing with this. So let's just try to open that. Okay, so let's just okay, so this is like a big box, I guess, that we have got from Unacademy as a Teachers Day gift. So let's see what is there inside this. Okay, so there is another box that I have got from ouch, very heavy, I don't know what's inside, so let's see. Okay, so there is another box. See, इतने अच्छे से पैकेजिंग किया है कि कहीं से भी टूटे ना. So there is another box which looks so pretty. The packaging of the gift voucher is so nice. See, this is what the entire package looks like. So let's see what is inside the package. Okay, so let me just open it one by one and we'll see what's inside this. So the inside of the package would something look like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the entire package. Okay, see, I hope you people can see that. So let me just take out all the ingredients, like all the gifts voucher which are available. The first thing that we have here is this is a Happy Teachers Day ka card hai, okay? And there is something which is written inside. So let me just show you what's written inside here. I think that's pretty much clear. Let me read out that for you. So it says, Unacademy, as the world stood still, you moved learners to dream. As the times got tough, you become the rock for millions of learners. As the world changed, you ensured that learning never stopped. Thank you for being the guiding light of millions. Here's to you, Happy Teachers Day. This is the card. This is the interesting card. The first thing is this. Secondly, okay, so we have got this, a small, I think it seems like a dark chocolate package. So yes, this is the dark chocolate package that we have got. Okay. So I think the next thing that I've got here is, this is like a, a tray, something like this can be like, opened, like you can open it basically. And of course it has Unacademy on it. So it's basically like a tray that you can put on your table and keep your stuff in, like just like an organizer. I can say that that's an organizer. Of course, so I'll just keep that chocolate here in the organizer, right? Okay, so the next thing that I've got here is, wow, this seems something very, very interesting. This seems like a pen to me, of course. For a teacher, a pen and a diary is a must. So see how cool the packaging is. This is an expensive pen. These are like some, instruction manuals. And we have a pen. I told you that it's going to be a pen. It seems a very fancy pen to me. This is what a pen looks like. Yay! So that's the next item that we have received from Unacademy. I think the packaging seems awesome. Like it looks like a very fancy pen to me. Like of course, like see. Okay, so I'll just keep it here in the organizer once again. Right, just like the chocolate. Another thing that we have got is a nice mouse pad with Unacademy written on it, of course, right? This is a mouse pad. You can keep it on your table. I told you that diary and a pen is much. So we have this diary from Unacademy. Diary, pen, voila! So that's the diary. There are some other, some envelopes also here that we have received from Unacademy. I don't know what's inside, so let's open it up and see what's that. Okay. So it seems like something like this. So कुछ stickers type का लग रहा है ये. It seems like some stickers that you can paste somewhere or the other. मतलब कुछ तो भी stickers जैसा सा लग रहा है. I don't know what it is exactly, but I'll just figure it out and let you people know at the later stage of the any other video. But seems like some stickers, some double-sided stickers that Unacademy has sent us. Another envelope, let's open that. So in this particular envelope, what is these? Okay, so we have got some another stickers. I don't know what we'll be doing with these stickers. So some interesting stickers. I don't know what these stickers are, but then something very, very interesting. Something interesting. Okay, so we'll figure it out how exactly we are going to use the stickers that's been sent by Unacademy to us. I think the last thing that I have is this. Let's just open and see that what it is. So it's something like that. It's a like leather, I don't know what should I call it. It could be a table runner, it could be a yoga mat, or you can use it as a bulletin board as well. Just paste it back side your table and post all the stickers that we have got on this. So I'll still have to figure it out that how exactly I'm gonna use this thing. But then it looks cool. Like it's a pure leather, something. I don't know what should I call it. But then yeah, this was pretty much everything that I have received from the Unacademies on Teachers' Day occasion. So yes, that is all. I think this is the pen and the organizer and the chocolate, and there was a mouse pad beneath it, and the diary, and of course the envelopes, right? So I think that was all, pretty much all for the Teachers' Day gift that we have received from Unacademy. Thank you so much, Unacademy, for sending this beautiful gift voucher to all the teachers out there. And that was all for today's video. I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next upcoming video, which is definitely gonna be on some interesting topic. Till then, please take care. Bye bye.